Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I want to share about my self-review about my project titled Water Processing Monitoring System, which is the monitoring of the PDAM, basically like the perusahaan daerah air minum or the other water provider. So basically we control how the water should be maintained, like if it out of the range, the below 7 below 6.5 and above the 8.5. This program will detect and will be give an alert and notification also. So basically this my motivation is for the protection and preservation water resources, and then this uh, how this can be done. We basically just we can raise and decrease pH level for the household necessary by maintaining by using the chemical material to make it neutral, maybe approaching 7. And then for the objective is for monitoring the pH. So basically for this program, we made a notification if the water should be maintained. And then for the limitation, maybe it's quite difficult to use this pH meter because we should recalibrate after we use it. And then here the flow chart. From this we starting the program and then the power on, and then we should connect to a Wi-Fi, and then what do you want, we maybe for the end of the program we just end, and then if we want to continue we just scan pH value, and then it will be stored in data storage, and we can access it with the device like a laptop, smartphone, and etc. So we just basically we can access the website like here we are using ThinkSpeak, and for the other program like Bling it also can be accessed too. So after that we can display by use to type, maybe we can use serial monitor or the web server itself. And then if the water meet the normal pH, if it yes, it just go around the looping, and if it doesn't require the mid level pH level, so the lamp indicator will be turned on. So here is the system architecture. So it's basically connecting this ESP into the pH module. This pH module will be connected to the analog meter for the pH. And then for the boosting, voltage boosting, we used here 9-volt battery. But for this module, we only need 5-volt. So we just use this type of IC, which is explained here, IC 7805, which is commonly used as a voltage regulator. So here is the architecture design. So it's the connection, wire connection, and then this for the code. For the code we use to setting the API and the connection to Wi-Fi. We make sure this SSID, password, server, and also APK is match is correct, so we can access it with our web server like ThinkSpeak. And then we just print this local address, and then this is for the calculation of pH level itself, and then continue to connecting to host. So for the APA ThinkSpeak, we just use 184.106.153.149. So here's the hardware characteristic. We start from this IC for the voltage regulator, and then this for the boosting, because remembering that the ESP32 use only output the output voltage only 3.3 voltage. And here is the module and the sensor electrode for the VH, and also ESP itself. Then this is the basic working principle of pH meter itself, and then this is the connection between it. So just this ESP we can use two ways. We can use by laptop, connected to the laptop for the power source of the ESP32. But if we implement it in real life, we should use the battery for more practically and more efficiently. So just connect it to the laptop, and for the battery we can use this V input, so we can just use the battery, so it make more efficiently. And then this is for the voltage regulator, and then this is for the module that connected to the analog pH meter. And then for the measurement algorithm, we just do like this, and then this is the procedure, and then this is the data obtained. So we just make this lamp indicator for this case, the field 1, if the pH is below 6.5, and then for the field 2. So here we make two different lamps. So here for the below 6.5, and this is this is higher than 8.5. So if this case is met, we can see the lamp indicator will be turned on, and if it not, it not turn on. And this is for the chart. So I've used my tap water and calibrate my pH meter. So the pH value that vertically scanned. So here I setting the lamp indicator, and then this is my solving my problem. So the last discussion is for this pH 4520C is using 5-volt input, but remembering that we are using ESP32, which is the voltage output only 3.3 volts, we need the extra voltage by using 9-volt batteries. And for the web server, I want to first use the Arduino code, but there is a problem, so I'm just gonna use the ThinkSpeak. So, and for the conclusion is compared with the project before using Arduino, ESP is very more fast and more flexible, and also more efficient, flexible, because it is have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection. So here I want to uh, show you about the code. So here I've connected my Arduino. So just maybe we can see here. Okay, just maybe we can see here from the serial monitor. Here the output is comes out, and then we just see here if this case I have calibrate my pH meter, so the value is 10, so we can see the lamp indicator is turned on, and if it below 6.5, it also will be the indicator light will be turned on, but for this side basically like that, uh, and then for the serial method like this. Okay, so for the maybe I want to show you uh, the circuit diagram. Circuit connection is like this. You just go this is the neutral water, but I haven't calibrate again because it needs a solution for it. And then this is connected to my laptop, and then this is the IC itself. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.